Once you turn the RustOff on, you need to switch the chiller on. Give it a few seconds to start up. Now, from the Start Up screen, you can go to Parameters to choose your pattern. Choose your pattern and then set your laser power. According to your different patterns, you get different scan lengths and widths, up to maximum of 212 millimeters, but for the straight line, you can go up to 300 millimeters. Once you are happy with your selection, you can turn the laser on. Now press Stop Cleaning. You will see a red triangle, meaning that your laser is active. Wait about 30 seconds, and then you are good to go. If during the cleaning operation you see the temperature turn to red, and the machine will turn off, this usually means that the protective lens on the laser is dirty or burnt. Usually this is caused by dirty air, so it is time to change the protective lens. Once you have finished with the RustOff, click on Ready for Cleaning. And then switch the laser and chiller off as well.
AI may eventually take over, but what's for certain is that smart machines are already operating all over the world right now. So stay ahead with AM.CO.za. For 11 years, they've been the leader in CNC and printing machines like CNC routers, large format printers, vinyl cutters, laser cutters, plasma cutters, DTF printers, and many more. Visit am.co.za showrooms in Sunny Rock, Joburg, and Montague Gardens, Cape Town, or WhatsApp hi to 060 600 6000 for more info. am.co.za. Achievement matters.